Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Children, we are starting with the new chapter today. Your chapter number 13, Fun with Magnets. Children, we will be completing this chapter in 4 parts and this is your first part. Children, in this first part of the chapter, we will be studying about the magnets, discovery of magnets, types of magnets, magnets and non-magnetic materials. Children, we all know about the magnets and also we had experienced the magnets in our day-to-day life. We had seen the door of the refrigerator automatically closes when you keep it open. It happens because the door of the refrigerator contains a magnet. We had seen the crane picking up the pieces of the iron from the huge heaps of waste materials. Because the crane contains a huge magnet which attracts the iron materials. We had also seen that when you put the pins in the pin holder, they stick to the central rod that contains a magnet. We had also experienced the magnetic effect in the pencil boxes and the stickers that you stick on the door of the refrigerator. Children, we conclude that the substances having the property of attracting the pieces of iron, nickel or cobalt are called as the magnets. Now here the metals like the iron, nickel and cobalt having the special property of attracting the magnets. This property of magnets is called as the magnetism and the metals like the iron, nickel and cobalt are said to be the magnetic materials. Now the discovery of the magnets. Children, it is considered that the magnet was first discovered by a shepherd whose name was Magnus and who used to live in ancient Greece about 4000 years ago. The rock that he discovered is considered as the natural magnet. Such type of magnetic rocks are said to be the magnetite. Children, there are two types of magnets, the natural magnets and the artificial magnets. Magnetite is called as the natural magnet. Natural magnet contains iron. It was discovered by Magnus who lived in Greece. And the artificial magnets, the magnets formed by the pieces of iron are called as the artificial magnets. They may have different shapes. We will be studying about them now. Shapes of magnets. Children, the artificial magnets are being made in different shapes like the bar magnets, U-shaped magnets or the horseshoe magnet, cylindrical magnets, dumbbell shaped magnets or the ball-ended magnets. Here you can see the picture of all these magnets, children. Uses of magnets. Magnets are used in refrigerator doors, pencil boxes, toys, pin holders, etc. Magnets are also used in picking up pieces of iron from the waste. Types of materials based on the effect of a magnet. Children, there are two types of materials, magnetic materials and the non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials. The materials which get attracted to magnets are called as the magnetic materials. For example, iron, nickel and cobalt. Non-magnetic materials. The materials which are not attracted towards the magnet are called as the non-magnetic materials. For example, wood, rubber or plastic. Now children, we will study one activity related to your topic, that is your magnet. Children, here you can see the picture. You are placing a magnet inside the cup. The mouth of the cup is covered with the paper so that the magnet is not visible. Attach a thread to a clip made up of iron. The other end of the thread is fixed at the base as you see in the picture here. When the clip will be brought near the base of the cup, the clip will hang in air without support because of the magnetic effect.